Hey everyone, Kayla O'Brien from Sweet Seekers here, and I have a very special announcement to make. I have a partnership with a super sweet company in Central Florida, and I have loved this company for a long time. It's one of the coolest things out there. If you love sweets and you love fashion and really fusing the two together, Shoe Bakery. You can really celebrate your sweet tooth and being a sweet seeker like in your everyday life. So you can bring a purse with you, or you can wear your shoes around town. Like, you don't have to be eating sweets to be a sweet seeker or to celebrate being a sweet seeker. Be sweet. Okay. Like I said, I have a partnership with Shoe Bakery. They're actually located in Central Florida. Super cool company. Please check them out. I have this purse that I got for my birthday. I get so many compliments on it because people are like, is your purse supposed to look like an ice cream sandwich? And I say, yes, it is. And they say, wow, that's so cool. It actually looks like a real beautiful purse, but also has that element of like whimsy and like that little element of something different, something special. Like, how many people have an ice cream sandwich purse? One person at least, and it's me. So I've followed them for a long time. They have a really cool Instagram, and when they reached out to me to partner up, I was like, heck yes, please. I'm so excited. And I figured, like, let's do an unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing on this channel before or as part of Sweet Seekers. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers and like creators do this, so well, why not? Like, let's live it up, you know? Let's like live the dream here. Sweet Seekers, Shoe Bakery, it's like a marriage. Check them out. Okay, we're gonna open the box. Okay. All right, so we're in. Ooh, okay. This is the first time I've actually gotten something like in the box, because when I got the purse, it was given to me as a gift, so they took everything out and like put it in a bag. So this is the first time I'm actually getting like the full experience. Okay, the box is empty now. And they give you another box that looks like a stove. How freaking cute is this? Shoe Bakery. And then the front is the open screen, so you can see what's baking in there. Fresh out the oven. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Okay, here's the strap. So this is the black sprinkle strap. Here's the little card to show you how to share your experience with them. Very cool. Like I said, they're great on social media, so you should definitely, when you do buy a product, share it with them. Oh my gosh, a little card holder, okay. So you choose what different design you like. So for me, obviously I'm a sprinkles person, but you can also do pie or chocolate, and there's different combinations that you can create. So I had chosen a few different pieces. It's like so feminine and beautiful, like a macaron pink keychain with like a little alarm clock and some accents. Oh, I love it, so cute. And then some stickers. So these are the kinds of shoes that they make, and I will show different. Oh my god, I love this one, the ice cream sundae like stiletto. And this is the main bag. Presentation, like 10 out of 10. Like, if you love concepts and you really love companies that go above and beyond to make the experience special for you, I think they're doing a really good job, because even this box is like not cheaply done. They really put a lot of thought into how the experience is of opening it. Like, you can give this as a gift and like really wow people, I think. You know, just giving them a purse is great, but like giving them an experience, that's what people just go, did you hear about the gift that I was given by my mom or my sister or whatever? Yeah, that's what you want to go for. At least that's what I go for. Okay, so I'm gonna save this for sure for like all time. And then I'll start going through all the different pieces, and then I can put the purse together. So let's start with this. It's the big base. I like colors and pieces and fashion that can go with a lot of things. For me, like, matching everything to my outfits is like a lot of stress and work. So I'll try to like get a neutral enough color or design that it can go with like everything that I'm wearing. So that's why I went with the black. Oh my god, it's so nicely made. Like, sometimes when you have products that are cutesy or like kitschy, you know, like, oh, I love sprinkle donuts, like they're not well made, but this is like a real legit purse. Oh, I love it. It's like the suede in the inside. So that's like the base. So then now you need the flap in the front. So I went with the pink sprinkle flap because obviously I'm a sprinkle girl. It almost looks like a mix between a popsicle and a Pac-Man ghost. from the back, you can see it a little bit more. So they make it really easy. Okay, so inside here, there's those 2 buttons. So I'm gonna put those in first, I think, because it looks like that's a little stronger. Okay, wow, it goes right in. And then you can just close, and there you go. Voila, now you have a custom-made purse. And now let's do the sprinkle strap. So they give you a small, I think, black strap. I believe I'll open this in a second, but that's just if you wanna like be simple and keep it low key. But of course, I don't wanna do that. So you see it's black, so it matches the bottom of the purse, but it also has that sprinkle element that the front strap does. And there you go. Now I got a purse. Woo! And then like the little accessories on top just make it a little bit more exciting. And you can buy this all together in your checkout. Like it asks you like, okay, what do you want on the flap? What do you want as the base? What do you want as the strap? What do you want as your little card color? And you can choose and select like whatever your heart desires. Okay, so this is my little card holder, so I can put my ID, my credit card, and whatever else I want to put in there, a little cash, if I had cash, which I probably won't ever, but if I did, I would put it in there. And then you can put that inside. And then there's this little keychain that I'm gonna add to the side, or you can add it to any other purse that you want, or you know, put it onto a gym bag or whatever you want. And you can still take a little bit of your sweet-seeking style with you. Okay, so I'm just gonna like clip it right into here. So hopefully that's how you're supposed to do it. Yep, there you go. Okay, now I got my little macaron and my little pink floofies. So it just gives me a little bit extra, like in case that this wasn't enough to show you my personality. Here you go, I got a little bit of extra service here. And then, just so I have options, which obviously is very important for me, I love it when they have the gold. This reminds me of my Michael Kors purse that I also have. So this could be the alternative. So if I don't want the sprinkle strap for a day, or I want to like, you know, dress it up a little bit and go a little fancier, I could swap this out and put it on here. So awesome, I'm so excited. So basically what does this mean? Shoe Bakery and Sweet Seekers has a partnership, so I hope to help them tell their story about what they do and how people who love sweets can buy these products and have their sweet-seeking lifestyle on full display. So you might see some photos, you might see some videos of products from Shoe Bakery, and if you love them and you found them through me, please let them know so that we can keep this partnership going. It's really exciting for me that I'm starting to partner up with brands that I really believe in. So thank you for the support, and thank you Shoe Bakery for sending me this. I can't wait to get started on taking some really fun pictures and some videos, and it's gonna be a really, really good time. All right guys, I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.